fresh tagliatelle. Let's go. What's up guys, I'm Gensato and thanks for tuning in to HANGRY. Today we're going to be making fresh tagliatelle and I'm going to show you how to do it super quick in a food processor. What? Yes. Weigh out 300 grams of AP flour. Add it to your food processor and crack in 3 eggs. Pulse the food processor until the dough looks like sand. Pasta sand. Pour out your pasta sand onto a clean work surface and begin to knead the dough until it forms into a tight ball. The dough should bounce back at you if you push it with your finger. Wrap it up and set that little baby pasta ball down for a 15-minute nap. And now, let's roll out the pasta. Roll out the pasta on your pasta roller's highest setting. Fold it back on itself and roll it out again. Continue until the pasta looks smoother than the sound of my voice. Flour to keep it from sticking and run it through your roller, gradually making it thinner, until you can just start to see your hand through the dough. Cut the pasta into strips of gold using your roller's attachment. Section them out using a pair of scissors. Finally, dust off those babies with a little bit of flour. And you're done.